This last activity is called Our World. We're going to be using coloured pencils to identify the 7 continents around our world. Here in front of me, I have 7 different coloured crayons. It says on the paper to use pencils, but if you don't have pencils, you can use crayons, textures, paint, whatever you like. If you look at the bottom left corner of the paper, you will see a key. It says Australia, purple, Asia, green, Europe, yellow, Africa, red, North America, orange, South America, grey, and Antarctica, blue. Let's begin colouring. I'll first grab my purple crayon and colour in Australia. This is where we live, guys. Our next one is Asia. I'm going to pick up my green crayon and start colouring in. Our next continent is Europe. Europe is located next to Asia. Let's colour Europe in yellow. Good job. Africa is next, just below Europe. Let's colour it in red. Our next continent is North America for orange. Excellent. South America is next, and we're going to colour it in grey. Perfect. Our last continent is Antarctica, down the bottom here. We're going to pick up our blue crayon. Great job, everyone. Now we have our 7 continents on our world map.